Hi everyone. So, yesterday we got our final answer key and the response sheet, and I'm expecting कि अब तक majority of the students ने अपना score check in कर लिया होगा with the help of their own calculations. If you haven't yet done it yet, so make sure that you do it. The link for downloading the answer key is in the description box. You can check it there. आप हमारी लक्ष्य बैच ज्वाइन कर वहाँ से डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं, right? In addition to that, now let's talk about the final safe score that could be a possible point for you कि आपको अपने एग्जाम में फाइनल रिजल्ट का वेट करना है और शुड यू बी स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग ऑल एंड ओवर अगेन, राइट? सो let's discuss about the same now. Talking about the safe score, just one disclaimer: this will be completely based upon the previous year questions, the previous year cutoffs that we have. उसी के basis पर हम analysis करेंगे and we'll check category wise last year क्या cut off आया था and this time पर क्या चांसेस होंगे आपके एग्जाम क्वालिफाई करने के, राइट? इन एडिशन ऑल्सो बिकॉज देयर वाज जस्ट वन सिंगल शिफ्ट इन द पेपर, सो इस बार भी हायर चांसेस हैं कि परसेंटेज बेसिस पर और फाइनल रॉ स्कोर आए और ना कि परसेंटाइल, बिकॉज परसेंटाइल तब मेजरली लिया जाता है व्हेन वी हैव टू शिफ्ट्स लाइक विच वाज देयर बिफोर the June examination, but June exam में भी there was one single shift, so we got the percentage cut off as you can see here. ये हमारे जून 2024 की कट ऑफ है. सो अगर हम लाइफ साइंस की बात करें फॉर द फर्स्ट कैटेगरी, इट वाज अनरिजर्व्ड कैटेगरी का जो था इट वाज 51.50, विच वॉज वेरी वेरी लेस टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट कि 103 मार्क के ऊपर द student was qualifying for the category 1 which is the junior research fellowship. Then category 2 के लिए हमारे लाइफ साइंसेज में जो कट ऑफ थी इट वाज 46.3%. प्लीज मेक श्योर that you are focusing upon that it is percentage. So 46.3 percentage means 92.6, मतलब 92.6 marks हमारे last time एक cut off edge पर था. And for your like life sciences category 3 it was 38.25, so which was 76.5 marks, which was the safe score or on which the students qualified in for the general category. So इस बार अगर हम unreserved category की बात करें, if I talk about the unreserved category, so unreserved category के अंदर जो हमारा category 1 है, if you are scoring anywhere around 108 to 115 marks, I'm taking a very broad range because obviously you never know CSIR kabhi bhi increase ya decrease kar sakta hai cut off. So if you are scoring anywhere around, let's say not 108 or 105, I would say, so in the unreserved category, if you are scoring anywhere between 105 to 115 marks, so in the category 1 you have higher chances of qualifying. In the category 2 last time it was 96 around, so this time let's say around 100 to 105 if you are scoring, you can wait for the final answer or final cutoff we can say. And for your category 3, in category 3 last time it was 76.5, so if you are scoring anywhere between 75 and above, so you have a chances of qualifying in the category 3. So unreserved category के लिए ये हमारा safe score होगा. Why am I not taking 103? Because obviously 103 was a very exceptional score, so this time because the paper was comparatively easier, that's why 105 to 115 marks. So if you are falling in any of this range in the unreserved category, you have a higher chances. Same for अगर हम life science में EWS की बात करें, so 88 marks was the previous one. Then so over here it was 79.2. So if you are scoring anywhere around 90 plus for EWS category, you have higher chances of qualifying. If you are scoring anywhere between 80 and above, so you in the second category you can qualify for the for your category 2. And if you're scoring anywhere around 65 and above, so higher chances for you to qualify for the EW S category. Let me know in the comment sections below what are your uh, scores that you all are getting, and you can decide in accordingly whether you need to wait or whether you need to start preparing for the examination again. And it's a good thing that you'll be getting your, you have your final or a very raw score in your hand right now, so it's good because examination next June mein hoga, so you have a good 6 month strategy, a good 6 month segment for you all. So make sure that you're utilizing these 6 months, analyzing your mistakes and working upon those mistakes accordingly, right? Followed by the same, you can check up for other thing as well, like for example for the PWD it is 25, 25 and 25. So if you're scoring anywhere around like 45 plus marks, so for unreserved category, for your PWD category you have chances of qualifying. For the SC and ST category it was 37.2% and 35.5%. So around the same range if you're scoring in, so this time also you have chances of qualifying for these categories. So according to the previous year, because obviously there was a sharp dip, or परसेंटेज एंड परसेंटाइल को एनालिसिस करना कंपैरेटिवली डिफिकल्ट होता है. सो इसीलिए हम जून 25 के कट ऑफ को एज अ बेस रेंज लेकर डिसाइड इन कर सकते हैं, या फिर एक सेफ स्कोर रेंज बना सकते हैं, राइट? सो दिस इज अबाउट द सेफ स्कोर दैट यू हैव फॉर ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स. लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शंस बिलो व्हाट आर योर स्कोर्स एंड वेदर और नॉट you are qualifying. And also we'll be having proper detailed discussion of the entire paper as well. We'll solve out the entire paper in the live session also from second, right? So make sure that you join in those sessions as well. We'll have the prediction videos, prediction classes and everything as well for you all, so that you can get the maximum help for yourself, right? So I hope this is clear to you. Let me know in the comment sections below what is your score that you are getting according to your uh, analysis or according to your calculation, and let's check whether or not you are qualifying this time, right? So you can join in our Lakshya batch. It's having more than 800 students right now. You can join us here and for the free guidance group, right? It's a free guidance group that is going to help you in the preparation for your upcoming examination. We have the GATE Excel revision capsules available. We have Christmas sale ongoing for you all. We have our rankers batch starting from 5th of January. For the June 2026, we have our books available, right? So all the best, good luck, take care everyone, and comment down your scores and let's see how many of you are qualifying this time, right? All the best.